In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Zillow settings. 2026 full guide. If you need to refresh your profile or correct outdated details, we'll walk through the exact screens to make clean, professional updates without any confusion. First, access your account. Open Zillow in your browser or app and sign in with your usual credentials. Before you touch anything, confirm you're in the correct account. Look for your initials or profile photo in the top corner and check the email tied to the session in your account area. If you manage more than one login, taking a moment to verify now prevents edits from landing on the wrong profile. Next, navigate to your settings. Click the profile icon at the top right. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Profile, Account, or Account Settings. Interface wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the area that stores your personal information. On mobile, you may need to open the menu first, then tap your profile to reach the same place. Now modify your personal information. In the Edit Profile section, update your name so it appears exactly how you want clients to see it. Keep the formatting consistent across platforms for a polished brand. Review your contact details and make sure the phone number listed is current so leads and partners can reach you without delay. Refresh your visual presence by adding a clear, recent headshot. Choose a well-lit image centered on your face and allow Zillow to crop as needed so it displays cleanly across devices. If you use a bio, revise it to reflect your current role, service areas, and any specialties. Keep it concise and client-friendly, focusing on what helps viewers understand who you are and how you work. When you're done editing, scroll to the bottom and click Save. While some fields may autosave, using the Save button ensures your changes are committed. To verify everything took effect, return to your public profile and refresh the page. Confirm that your name, contact line, photo, and bio show exactly as intended. If something looks off, head back to the same fields, adjust, and save again. Occasionally, it can take a moment for images to process, so give it a brief refresh if needed. That's it. Keeping these details accurate helps you appear professional and reachable the moment someone finds you on Zillow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.